Starting off today's vlog in the car. Actually about to go on my way over to Dylan's house because today's a good day. We're actually going to be installing my, well, not mine, well, I guess technically now they're mine, lowering springs. These are his old springs that he had on his car before he got his BC coilovers. And so I finally decided that I wanted to lower my car, and I was like, hey, can I take those springs off your hands? And he was like, yeah, man, no problem. So I'm actually gonna head over there now, and that's what we're gonna try to accomplish today. It took him 9 hours whenever he first did his. So hopefully it doesn't take us that long, but I'm excited for it. I think the only thing that we gotta go pick up that he doesn't have is a spring compressor. So once we get that, we can start going at it, but it should be fun. I'm excited. You good? Alright, so I'll explain what Dylan's doing here. He is currently playing car Tetris. He had to move out John's car, then he had to move out his mom's truck, and then that way we can move the Viper truck out of the garage. And so once we move that out, then my car goes in. Okay, so don't ever listen to me, I'm a liar. The truck's still in the garage, didn't move my car in there. Stopped by, was it O'Reilly's? I think that's what it was. Then got spring compressor, some Sonic, and now the man's over here is getting the backup. So that's what we're gonna do that first, just because that's the easier side of it. You know we gotta get it for the vlog. Oh, shout out. Backs has been jacked up. So now, as Dylan had explained it, alright, so our next step is get impact gun, take that bolt off. And so what we'll do, this comes completely detached from all of this. This will drop, and I allow this part to come down, so then we just gotta yeet that piece out. And then we should be good to go. We just gotta do that on both sides there. Yeah, after that we should be good. Yeah. We're probably gonna have to jack this up a little bit, but not much. Is it getting it? Just a good old spring. So this is stock ride height in the fronts. And then we got spring ride height in the rears. A lot lower. So we got the compressors on there. Now it's just a matter of taking the top of the strut off and then yeeting that spring out of there. And so from there, we'll do the other one as well. Drop mine out of the car, put the springs on that, blah, blah, blah. 3 hours later, it'll be done. Sound good? Alright, so current problem that we've run into. We got out, let's see, both of these bolts. If it'll focus. This one up here. Fourth one right here. This little guy down here does not want to come out. It's completely rusted in there, so we've resorted to spraying it with WD-40, and we're gonna see if that'll help loosen it up. We've been smacking it with a hammer, hoping that that would help, but I don't know what else we're gonna do. So we're just gonna let that sit and wait, and hopefully that'll loosen something up so we can start smacking away at it again.
I yutted him.
What was that again?
I yutted.
You yutted? Not yeeted? You said yut?
Yut.
Alright, so we managed to finally get that little thing off. So now the whole strut is out. Where did you put the strut? Oh yeah, it's over there. Alright, so that's over there. Now we just gotta get the compression thing, jiggers off the spring compressors. We just gotta get those off there and put them on. Jeez, that sun. Okay, let's try over here. Alright, so this is quite a while after the fact. We did the lowering springs probably 5 months ago, something like that. I just haven't gotten around to finishing up the video just because of school and work. So what we ended up doing is we could not get that bolt off. We tried for about 3 hours trying to get it off. So what I had to do was take it down to tire discounters and have them take it off for me. And they did suggest once they took it off that I do go get a new bolt because we kind of destroyed that one a little bit. Just like the threads and hammering away at it for so long, they were really messed up. But we ended up getting that bolt taken out. So later, I think it was the next weekend, my dad and I actually put the spring on ourselves. We did it at the house. So this is what it actually looks like here. Decreased the fender gap quite a bit. And I know this is quite a while after we did the original, but as you can tell, there are some things that have changed with my car. Mainly the rims, and then also in the front here. I'll cover that stuff in a later video, but I just wanted to end this lowering spring video just because I hadn't gotten around to it, and I'm trying to get back into doing videos more. So I just want to show you guys what it ended up looking like, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.